Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Tayasui Sketches app. To start, simply open the application and tap the plus icon to create a new drawing. You'll immediately notice the clean interface, with your canvas ready for creation. The toolbar at the top offers quick access to all your essential tools. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed for ease of use, allowing you to jump right into sketching your ideas with minimal fuss. Tayasui Sketches provides an impressive array of over 20 realistic tools, from fine pencils to broad acrylic brushes. You can easily customize each tool's size, opacity, and even pressure sensitivity to achieve your desired effect. A key feature is the robust layer system, allowing you to build complex compositions. Think of layers as transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. You can draw on one without affecting another, offering immense flexibility. Now, it's time to infuse the rice with all that incredible flavor. First, soak your 1 kilogram of basmati rice for 30 minutes, then drain it completely. Carefully remove the tender cooked meat from the broth, and then strain the broth to ensure it's smooth and free of any solids. Combine this strained, aromatic broth with your soaked rice in a large cooking pot. Finally, add the cooked meat back into the pot, distributing it evenly throughout the rice. For more advanced users, Tayasui Sketches includes helpful features like the ruler and shape tools, which assist in creating precise lines and geometric forms. The fill tool is a fantastic time saver, allowing you to quickly color large sections of your drawing with just one tap. Remember, the best way to master any creative tool is through consistent practice. Don't be afraid to experiment with all the features to discover new techniques and refine your artistic vision.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.